Understanding the importance of game lore. Game lore forms the foundation of a game's world, shaping its characters, history, and setting. Maintaining consistent lore ensures that players feel immersed and invested in the game's universe. Inconsistent or incomplete lore can break immersion and weaken the player's connection to the story. Establishing clear lore guidelines. At the start of development, it's crucial to create a comprehensive lore guide. This document should outline key elements like the world's history, factions, characters, and rules. Having a centralized guide ensures that all team members stay aligned with the game's narrative direction throughout development. Collaborating across development teams. Maintaining lore consistency requires collaboration between writers, designers, and developers. Regular communication ensures that gameplay mechanics, visuals, and dialogue all reflect the established lore. This prevents any elements from contradicting the narrative and keeps the game's universe coherent. Integrating lore into game design. Game mechanics should be influenced by the lore, making the world feel believable. For instance, a magic system should have rules that fit within the lore's framework. By tying gameplay mechanics to the story, developers can create a more immersive experience for players. Using dialogue and NPCs for storytelling. Characters and NPCs are vital in conveying lore to the player. Dialogue should reveal aspects of the world's history, culture, and current events. Well-written NPCs provide insights into the game's world, helping players understand the lore organically without overwhelming them with exposition. Tracking changes throughout development. As the game evolves, elements of the lore may need to be adjusted. Using version control or a lore tracking system helps document changes and ensures that new additions fit within the existing framework. This prevents inconsistencies from creeping in during the development process. Incorporating player feedback into the lore. During playtesting or early access, developers can gather feedback on how players perceive the lore. If players find certain aspects unclear or disconnected, developers can make adjustments. Player insights can help refine the story, ensuring it resonates with the target audience. Maintaining lore across expansions. When developing expansions or sequels, it's important to maintain consistency with the original game's lore. New content should build on the established world, deepening the narrative without creating contradictions. This continuity keeps players engaged and rewards longtime fans. Creating a living, evolving world. Lore should evolve as players progress through the game. Introducing dynamic events that impact the world based on player actions can make the lore feel alive. This evolution adds depth to the story and keeps players invested in the long-term progression of the game's universe. Ensuring longevity through documentation. Proper documentation ensures that future developers, writers, or teams working on sequels can maintain the integrity of the lore. A detailed archive of characters, events, and world-building elements will ensure that the lore remains consistent even as the game evolves over time.